Welcome to OnlySocial. In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Express for image editing directly within OnlySocial. Let's get started. Once you have logged in to your OnlySocial account, click on Create New Post to begin. Next, under the text input box, click on the image icon to open the media library. In the media library, you will notice several options for adding media. Click on the Express tab to start editing your images. A new window will open, showing Adobe Express. From here, you can log in if you have a free Adobe Express account, or sign up to create an account if you don't have one. To sign up for a new account, click on Sign Up button and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. You have successfully signed up with your Gmail account and logged into Adobe Express. You are now inside your account dashboard. Here, you can either upload a new image by clicking on Photo and then Upload Photo, or select one from your existing library. Let's upload a new image for this tutorial. From here, you can edit your image based on your needs, just as you can with Canva or any other image editors you are familiar with. Take your time to experiment with the tools and create the perfect image for your post. Once you're happy with your edits, click on the Insert button at the top right corner of the screen. Your edited image will be saved to your OnlySocial media library. Select the edited image and insert it to the post. And that's it. You have successfully edited an image using Adobe Express within OnlySocial and added the image to your post. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.